Do you guys ever think about a power bank that can provide battery backup for an entire trip? Yes, that's right. I'm going to show you something special or something big. A power bank that can provide backup for an entire trip. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Everything Smartphone. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, then do that right now. Also press that bell icon to receive notification about our future updates. Today I am going to review a 30,000 mAh power bank. So the power bank I am going to show you is from a company called ROMOSS. This power bank is simply a beast and also huge in size. As like other power bank, there was not too much item in the box. I have got the power bank and a USB cable. Now talk about the design. The power bank is made of plastic, feels kinda low quality plastic, but I can assure you that this case is very tough. It has white color on the top and bottom side and grey color on the other four edges. It weighs around 670 grams, which is double than a normal power bank and not suitable for carrying all day by hand. I will rather carry this on my backpack. On the top it has a logo on the right corner, on the left it says 30. That indicates 30,000 mAh capacity, I assume. And below that logo it has 4 power indicator, but in 2019 I think an analog power indicator is not cool thing anymore. There has to be a power indicator display instead of analog power indicator. In this side it has a power button and nothing else. On this edge there has something that you should take attention. It has 3 different charging input options. It has micro USB, a lightning port and a USB Type-C port. So no matter what kind of charger you have, it will support all. Also it has 2 output options, one for normal charging which has 1 lightning icon and another for fast charging which has 2 lightning icon on above. And now let's talk about the most important fact about this power bank. How much battery backup this power bank can produce? Well, it is a 30,000 mAh battery, but you can use almost 85% of its power in daily uses. So that means it can produce 25,500 mAh power. So if you have 4,000 mAh battery in your phone, then you can charge it more than 6 times. Another important question, how long it takes to get full charge? It takes 16 to 18 hours to get full charge. And now let's see the 3 things that I like about this power bank. Of course, it has a huge capacity power. You can charge it through 3 different charging input ports. It has 2 different output options. And now 3 things that I don't like about this power bank. It's big and heavy, takes too much time to get charged, and it only comes with white color. So now, who should buy this? One thing pretty much clear, that this is not your daily drive power bank. Suppose you are planning to go for outdoor camping or hiking, you are going to stay outside for more than 1 day and there has no power source, then it will be very helpful for you to carry this thing. It can give you backup for an entire journey. So that was all about ROMOSS 30,000 mAh power bank. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please smash the like button, also comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Until the next video, I am your host Omid, signing out.